Bonjour, bonjour, and oui. That's right, we are French, and you can tell by, oh my God, this kid says caterpillar. Let's put the real one on there. That's right. We are back with that French Revolution. This is part 2 of a two-part series. I promised you last week we did crepe Suzette as in the first week. The second week is all about chicken. That's right, chicken, and the most popular chicken dish you're probably ever going to taste in your life. This is chicken cordon bleu. And there's so many stories. I'm trying to do some education, you know, the EDD portion of the show, education first, familiarize you with maybe what we're doing, then we get into the preparation, and we do that presentation, that wow effect. And wait till you see this wow effect this week. It's going to be incredible. I have thought this through, and I've come up with some really cool stuff. You're not going to want to miss how we present chicken cordon bleu this week. It's going to be absolutely fascinating. Also, show you a terrific presentation on how to actually make it from scratch, and I'm gonna put a sauce to it too, a velouté sauce. We have winners, we have stories. Some of the stories, it's chicken cordon bleu. No, the Switzerland people did it in the 40s. No, the French did it in the 1600s. There is fighting going on constantly about this cordon bleu thing. No, the cordon bleu cooking school did it. How's that possible? They just started in 1960, for crying out loud. Yeah, everybody wants a piece of that cordon bleu. Well, you'll get a piece of it all right. It's gonna go right down that orifice called your mouth. Oh, you're gonna just melt in your mouth when you taste this recipe, and of course it'll be ready in the cookbook, which is due out soon. And we have 4 winners from last week. We want to make note of 2, by the way. Deborah Martell, a new one. That's right, she got 1. Amanda H, oh, you are always in there from Maryland, my girl. Megan C, she was in there. Roxanne T was in there. All 4 of you actually won $100, and that should be reaching your mailbox anytime soon. You know the Steve Henry Show gets that out immediately. And we have 4 questions, 5 questions a week. We'll have those again this week as well. That Jeep giveaway is getting ever so close. Halloween is upon us, and boy, you don't want me showing up at your front door with a Jeep on Halloween night, or do you? That's going to be $1 million question also. We are going to have so much fun. And then, of course, the Wednesday giveaway, we always do that. What was that? And that last week, crepe Suzette. What 2 liqueurs? What 2 of them? We had 2. Bloop, bloop, bloop. We had that Grand Marnier, and we had the Cointreau. The second person, and I'm not going to get this wrong this time. The meds will stay off the table. We're going to get this right. The second answer to get that right in the comment section, when I say, what was that on Saturday's show, will win $100. It's Cointreau, it's Grand Marnier. Those are the 2 liquors. I want those 2 side by side in the comment section, and the second one who gets that right will win $100. Don't miss it. It's all here Saturday, 4 o'clock live, right here at the Steve Henry Show.